In this video we're going to install HeatMap Theme Pro. Okay, we're in our WordPress admin and I'm going to click on the Appearance drop down here and then click on the Themes link. That takes us into the Manage Themes area, but what we want to do of course is install themes. So let's click on the Install Themes tab and then we can click on the Upload link. Then we can go on Browse for the zip file containing HeatMap Theme Pro, and of course you would have downloaded that earlier from heatmaptheme.com. Here's our zip file, and I'm going to click on Open and then Install Now. Theme's now installed, and we can now activate it. And as you can see now, HeatMap Theme Pro is our active theme. Let's have a look. There it is with its default Platinum Pro skin, that's built in, and a few default widgets here. Now, HeatMap Theme starts up in what's called preset mode. It's just so that you don't get a scary looking blank blog when you first start it up. So we're going to head back to the admin to switch preset mode off. Just head down to the HeatMap options here, and as you can see preset mode is activated, but in practical use you'll want to switch this off. So click on off, save, and then let's have another look. And you can see we've got a nice fresh crisp blank blog for us to get started.